Alright, y'all. It's your boy. Again. Back in the spot. SV3. Spider Venom 33. Add another car meet. A small one. A small one. It's only like 15 cars here. Give or take 15. They're supposed to be riding out. So, y'all gonna hear some crazy stuff. Y'all see some crazy stuff. Because with these cats, man, whenever I'm out with them, it gets real. It gets really real. So, I'm excited. But I'm taking you on a ride with us. Be prepared. Alright. I just came across a goddamn Mustang that sounds like a fucking bomb. Sounds like a fucking bomb. Go ahead. Oh shit, it did blow a flame. Oh! God damn. Bro, I ain't never heard of no shit like that. He said he got a WAP box in this bitch. I don't know what the fuck that is. And how much your WAP box cost? Hey, how much your WAP box cost?
Like $200.
He said $200. That's fucking crazy. $200 to make your exhaust sound like that bitch cost $10,000. No cap. That shit nuts. But I'm in a small meet, bro. You see it. You see it. And you see Tati. She over there in the corner. I guess we about to ride out. I don't know where the fuck we going though. Oh shit, the boys here. Hold on. Ooh, the boys done pulled up. They heard the gunshots. No. Not the gunshots. What did Good Buddy say? Oh, my bad, fam. Oh, can they stay on our ass? Whatever. I mean, he just gotta be calm. Ain't nobody shit sounding like that. So if we live our shit, it won't be that bad. That shit's illegal. This shit is illegal. I think I'm doing this shit. What is this, a RT? Oh, a scat. Fuck with the diffuser though. Low key. I think niggas about to go crazy. About to hit him real quick on one. One pull. Coming through him. Coming through. With the joint. With the joint. Okay, it's nice. I ain't gonna say. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Who got the Lammy out here? Who got the Lammy out here, though? Great. They got the fuck on. Oh, they about to go next. Fuck it. The fuck is that? Oh, them the firefighters. Hell no.
No, don't run. Don't run. Don't run.
He trying to do the donies with the goddamn boat. Hold the fuck on. God damn, I was too slow. Huh?
I said I was too late, bro.
Exotics, I'm like, what the fuck? We're gonna have to get closer, bro. It's not a donut party if an old Mustang ain't trying to go crazy.
It'll only get about 2 spins before traction control gets really pissed.
Is this a Huracan?
Yeah.
When I saw the DD, I thought you was daily driven exotics. I was like, oh shit.
We don't say that around here.
What that bitch hard though? Y'all see him. I'm gonna check y'all motherfuckers out too. Oh my bad, B. Go for it.
That's all you're gonna get.
Hey, I appreciate it though. Low-key, the cops are out here. And they done stop somebody. I had to keep firing. Oh no! Oh fuck! Low key, somebody got stung. Yeah, look. Cops just broke that joint up. I just showed you somebody got stung. I pulled the biggest rookie mistake. You know what? I'm gonna wait till I get some light. All right, look. So we all split up now because the boys popped up, like always. Big 5-0. And everybody got the fuck on, you feel me? Now they got one person, they got a red Charger. I showed y'all that they got flipped. Now that we got some light, I'm gonna tell y'all what happened. So the cops roll up, they flick the lights, they going crazy. They pulling up behind niggas, you feel me? I'm like, oh shit, because I was away from the whip. I left the whip on. Locked the door, of course, and I don't want nobody to just hop my shit and dip. So lock the door. And I go, you know what I'm saying, to get some footage of the Lammy. That's why y'all saw the footage of the Lammy. I had to get the footage of the Lammy, a Huracan, okay? DD, whatever it was. I thought it was Daily Driven Exotics. The dog said, nah, they don't use them words. I'm like, okay, whatever. It was DD something. I'm going to look back at the video and see what it was. But as I take off, you know what I'm saying, I hit my Usain Bolt. Getting back to the car, bro. I grabbed the door, right? Bloop, bloop, put the hand under the door. You know how the chargers work. Bloop, put the hand under the door. It ain't unlocked. I'm like, oh, shit. I do it again. Bloop, nothing. Bloop, nothing again. I'm like, oh, what the fuck? So I look down at the dash. All right, I look down. Let me straighten my wheel up real quick. I look down at the dash, you feel me? And it's saying key not found. Oh my God, key not found. So I go in my pockets. I'm like, bloop, 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 bloop. Where the key at? Nothing. I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, where did I put my key at? I put my key in my motherfucking jacket pocket. Why did I put it in my jacket pocket? I don't know, bro. Oh my God. So now I'm like, I ran across some grass to get back to the whip. So that could only mean one thing. The key could possibly be in the street. And if it was in the street, niggas was hauling ass trying to get away from the boys. So I'm talking about, if my key's in the street, they're done. So I'm like, okay, what's next? It could be in the grass. So first I look in the street, I don't see nothing broke. So I'm like, all right, bet. I'm looking around because I'm downtown, low key. You know how they get downtown, especially when I'm in Tatiana, boy, red with the black. Okay, we back to the story. So, blood, listen, this is crazy. I'm now looking in the grass for my keys as the cops are going crazy, looking at people's license plate, going crazy. Some of the other people, you know what I'm saying, they were smart, so they did the right thing with the license plate. Me, I ain't that comfortable, you know? I ain't probably gonna do that, so I let my license plate on. So the cops looking my way as I'm looking for the keys. 2 minutes probably passed, I'm still looking. I'm thinking at this point, bruh, I'm out, I'm downtown, okay? My car's on, I can't find my key, it's running, and the cops looking at me. So if my car don't run out of gas, I'm getting towed, which is bad. If the cops come over and try to help, they got my license plate, they're probably gonna flick me just because. And my freaking phone was about to die. My freaking phone was about to die. You hear me? My phone is on low mode, bro. I'm like, oh no, bro, my phone about to die. I can't find my keys. Why? This is, oh God. But I thought about it. I'm like, don't panic, bro. Don't panic. You got a frosty tag on your key. Let me show y'all, man. Let me show y'all, bro. I'll put it in the big pocket this time. I wasn't gonna let that happen again. So here go the keys right here. I had a frosty tag on the keys. All right, frosty tag. So what did that mean? I could see the keys in the grass because it's a frosty tag. Wait, Wendy saved my life. What? Wendy saved my life, boy. What you talking about? Wendy saved my life. That's crazy. But yeah, I ended up finding the keys because of the white key tag joint. I picked that joint up extra slow, super calm. Walked to the car, extra slow, super calm. Open the door, super calm. And put that boy in drive and pull it off extra slow. And the boys didn't come get me, so we dodged a bullet tonight. But yeah, that's the end. Had a good night, man. It was going crazy. Super duper crazy. Can't wait till the next one. Actually, we got another meet tomorrow. That one not gonna be crazy though, most likely. It's gonna be a nice vibe. Get to see some nice cars. I'm gonna show y'all. But till then, SV3 out. I'll check y'all out next time. Bloop.